The mosquito, a creature so small it can slip through the tiniest crack, almost like a ghost. A creature so seemingly insignificant, we often dismiss it with a wave of the hand, not realizing the danger it carries. And yet, this tiny insect is the deadliest animal on Earth, responsible for more human deaths than any other creature. Yes, you read that right. This minuscule menace surpasses all other predators in its lethal impact. Not sharks, not lions, not even venomous snakes. The mosquito reigns supreme in the realm of deadly animals, a true master of stealth and lethality. How can such a small creature be so dangerous? What makes it a formidable foe? The answer lies not in its size or strength, but in its ability to spread disease, making it a vector of death. Malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, West Nile virus. These are just a few of the deadly diseases that mosquitoes can transmit to humans, causing widespread suffering. Every year, mosquitoes infect millions of people worldwide, leading to hundreds of thousands of deaths, mostly in tropical and subtropical regions where they thrive. The mosquito is a silent killer, its bite often painless and its presence unnoticed until it's too late, making it a stealthy assassin. This tiny terror, a master of survival and a silent stalker, deserves our attention, not just our annoyance. Its impact on human health is profound. This video will delve into the fascinating world of mosquitoes, exploring their habitat, behavior, and the reasons behind their deadly reputation, shedding light on why they are more than just a nuisance. Mosquitoes are incredibly adaptable creatures, thriving in a wide range of environments, from tropical rainforests to temperate woodlands, from bustling cities to quiet suburbs. Mosquitoes have made themselves at home in virtually every corner of the globe. They breed in standing water, laying their eggs in anything from puddles and ponds to discarded tires and flower pots. A single female mosquito can lay hundreds of eggs in her lifetime, ensuring the survival of her species. Mosquito larvae, known as wigglers, thrive in these aquatic nurseries, feeding on organic matter and developing into pupae before emerging as adults. This remarkable adaptability is one of the reasons why mosquitoes are so widespread and difficult to control. Not all mosquitoes are created equal, at least when it comes to their diet. Male mosquitoes are perfectly content with a diet of nectar and plant juices. Female mosquitoes, however, require a blood meal to develop their eggs. This need for blood is what makes them such efficient vectors of disease. When a female mosquito bites an infected person or animal, it picks up the disease-causing pathogens along with the blood meal. These pathogens then multiply inside the mosquito, eventually making their way to the salivary glands. When the infected mosquito bites another person, it injects the pathogens into the bloodstream, spreading the disease. It's a simple yet deadly cycle that has plagued humanity for centuries. Silent stalkers. Mosquitoes are masters of stealth, their presence often undetected until it's too late. They are attracted to the carbon dioxide we exhale, as well as body heat and odor. They can also detect movement and changes in light, making them highly efficient hunters. Their slender bodies and delicate wings allow them to fly silently and maneuver effortlessly through the air. They can even bite through clothing, using their sharp mouthparts to pierce the skin and locate a blood vessel. Their bites often go unnoticed at first, the mosquito injecting an anesthetic along with its saliva to numb the area. It's only later, when the itching and swelling begin, that we realize we've been targeted by these silent stalkers. Carriers of disease. Mosquitoes are responsible for transmitting a wide range of diseases, some of which can be deadly. These tiny insects are more than just a nuisance, they are a significant public health concern. Malaria, a parasitic disease that affects red blood cells, is one of the deadliest diseases transmitted by mosquitoes. It is prevalent in many tropical and subtropical regions around the world. It causes fever, chills, sweating, headache, muscle pain, and fatigue. These symptoms can be severe and debilitating, affecting the quality of life of those infected. In severe cases, it can lead to organ failure and death. Prompt medical treatment is crucial to prevent these severe outcomes. Dengue fever, another mosquito-borne viral disease, causes high fever, severe headache, pain behind the eyes, joint pain, muscle and bone pain, rash, and mild bleeding. It is a major cause of illness in many countries. Severe dengue fever can be life-threatening. It requires immediate medical attention to manage the symptoms and prevent complications. Zika virus, which gained notoriety in recent years for its link to birth defects, is another mosquito-borne disease. It has caused widespread concern, especially among pregnant women. It can cause fever, rash, joint pain, and conjunctivitis. These symptoms are usually mild, but can be more severe in some cases. While Zika virus is usually mild, it can have serious consequences for pregnant women and their babies. Preventive measures and early diagnosis are essential to mitigate the risks associated with this virus. A global threat. The impact of mosquito-borne diseases is felt worldwide, but it is particularly severe in tropical and subtropical regions. These regions often lack adequate healthcare infrastructure and resources to effectively combat mosquito populations and treat diseases. Climate change is exacerbating the problem, as rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns create more favorable conditions for mosquito breeding and survival. This is leading to an expansion of mosquito habitats and an increase in the geographic range of mosquito-borne diseases. The World Health Organization estimates that over half of the world's population is at risk of mosquito-borne diseases. This highlights the urgent need for effective mosquito control measures and the development of new and innovative ways to prevent and treat these deadly diseases. A tiny terror, a global challenge. The mosquito, a tiny terror that has plagued humanity for centuries, continues to pose a significant threat to global health. These tiny insects are more than just a nuisance. They are vectors of some of the deadliest diseases known to mankind. Its ability to transmit deadly diseases combined with its remarkable adaptability and stealth makes it a formidable foe. Mosquitoes have evolved to thrive in diverse environments, making them incredibly difficult to control. Understanding the mosquito's life cycle, behavior, and the diseases it carries is crucial for developing effective control strategies. This knowledge helps scientists and public health officials devise targeted interventions. From simple measures like using mosquito repellent and eliminating standing water, which are accessible to most people, to more complex approaches like genetic modification, which involves altering the mosquito's DNA to reduce their ability to spread disease, and the development of new vaccines, which can provide immunity to populations at risk. We must continue to innovate and adapt in our fight against this tiny terror. Public awareness and education are also key components in this ongoing battle. The battle against mosquitoes is a global challenge that requires a concerted effort from individuals, communities, and nations around the world. International collaboration and resource sharing are essential. Only by working together can we hope to reduce the burden of mosquito-borne diseases and protect future generations from these silent stalkers. Our collective efforts can make a significant difference in safeguarding public health. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more interesting animal facts.